comes Booba. I wonder what magic trick we'll see today.
Booba, I'm sorry. I didn't have time to prepare a magic trick for today. Okay, I'll wait. So, Booba, are you going to do a magic trick? Okay.
What's Booba doing?
Booba, you're never gonna get the ball in the bottle. You tricked me! So, how about you perform your magic trick right now? Booba, how did you do that? That's amazing! Is it glue?
How did Booba do that?
No, it's not glue. Can I try?
Ooh, we get to see the magic trick again.
May I have your attention, please? I will be doing a magic trick. Bottle and ball, you will not fall. Abracadabra! I did it! Yay! I did it!
The water in the bottle is pulled down by the force of gravity, which keeps the ball in place.
High five, Booba!
Great job, friends. Let's celebrate with a dance. See you both soon for more magic tricks.